How to easily add extension on Aniyomi in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can add extensions on Aniyomi fast so you can start watching and reading what you actually want without confusion. First, open the Aniyomi app on your phone. When it loads, look at the bottom or side menu and tap Browse. This is where all sources and extensions are managed. Inside Browse, find the section that says Extensions or Sources. Tap it and you will see a list of available extensions you can add. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to find an extension you want. Extensions are what let Aniyomi pull content from different sites, so without them you can't really use the app. When you find the one you like, tap the install button next to it. Wait a few seconds until it finishes downloading and installing. Once it says installed, go back to the browse screen. You will now see that extension listed as a source. Tap it and you can start browsing titles right away. You can scroll, search, and open any title from that source. When you find something you like, tap the title and then tap the add or plus button to add it to your library. This saves it so you don't have to search for it again later. From now on, you can just open the library tab to find it. If an extension ever stops working, go back to the extension section. If there's an update button, tap it to update the extension. If it still doesn't work, uninstall it and install it again, or try a different extension for the same type of content. You can have more than one extension. In fact, it's a good idea to install a few so you have backups in case one goes down. Just repeat the same steps. Go to Browse, open Extensions, find one and tap Install. If you don't see any extensions, make sure your internet is working. Extensions need internet to load the list and download. Also, make sure your Aniyomi app is updated because old versions may not show new extensions. So the full process is simple. Open Aniyomi, go to Browse, open Extensions, install one you like, go back to Browse, open that source, and start adding titles to your library. Once you do this once or twice, adding extensions becomes quick and easy, and you will be able to use Aniyomi the way it's meant to be used.